Check out this 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 ST. 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 Diesel. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 5.9-liter i6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 234,000 miles on the odometer. Beautiful 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 4-door 4x4, aftermarket wheels and oversized tires makes this truck look great. 5.9L diesel automatic with 233K on body and only 3K on a rebuilt engine. Has a EFI live tuner and runs excellent. Not a book value is $19,975. Our price is $16,995. See this beauty at 1645 North Montana Avenue, Helena, Montana. Call to schedule your test drive 406-442-2931. jdautosols.net. We have an auto check on file for all of our vehicles and have extended warranties available. Key features include CD player, anti-lock brakes, and power steering.